on, bro? Get the fuck out the way, man.
Right now, we're on roll, chilling here, getting shit the fuck done. You already know I'm live on the vlog. You saw what I just did there. Great motions. Oh, well, he just ripped his pants.
Rip pants Alamo!
It's not a photo, bro.
I know, it's a video. I'm gonna flex this whole video, nigga. Be choking my whole shit, nigga. What you mean I'm licensed, nigga? I got a fucking green hat. I purchased this bill. First deal. Fully gutted. Manual. 325i. Go take the receipts. Real drive, of course. What receipts here? Check the receipts. My fault.
What are you focusing to the floor, bro?
Yeah. Alright. Anything you can tell us about this car? What type of car is it?
01 BMW 325i. Real drive, manual. You already knew that. We about to drift every single day. Yeah, y'all want me to start this shit up, man? You wanna see the hearse perk? We outside. I'm gonna buckle up for the kids. So I don't want to roll from it big. I'm gonna just roll a little bit through this. Ooh, I could have made it into third, but I was scared. We're gonna hit that on the way back. That's 65. Ooh, send it. What the fuck going on, bro? Get the fuck out the way, man.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you really did that! Holy shit! You really fucking did that. Oh, your wheels are wet. Watch out. Your wheels are wet. Your wheels are wet. Your wheels are wet. Your wheels are wet. Your wheels are wet, bro.
I got you, broski. I got you, bro. We didn't hit that nigga, bro. Turn this shit on. Turn this shit on. Turn this shit on reverse real quick. Hit that shit on. And then... Bro.
Your wheels are wet now. Remember this now. Do not do that.
I know, nigga.
Do not do that, bro. Do not.
I didn't hit that shit, nigga.
That car might be there. That car might be there.
I know, nigga. Did I Mac? Heard that shit. Straight. Yeah, nigga shaking.
Yo, oh my god, you're gonna hear me the whole time in this fucking video. Alright, I'm out. Let me out. Let me the fuck out. Let me the fuck out.
Bro.
Let me.
I gotta hide the whip. I gotta hide.